Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Eats. Tonight we're doing something that turns an ordinary evening into the best night of the week. Homemade pizza night. No stress, no delivery guy at the door, just crispy crust, melty cheese, and whatever toppings make your family smile. And the best part? We're keeping it dead simple with store-bought dough so you actually enjoy the process instead of fighting with yeast at 6 p.m. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise you'll have a new family tradition you'll look forward to every Friday. Let's make some memories. You landed on the right channel. Here at Southern Eats, we love good food and good times with good people. We are bringing you the best Southern-style food and drink recipes from across the USA. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, please do. I'd be super grateful if you'd like our video by hitting that little thumbs up button. If you love homemade pizza, then share this video with a friend. I encourage you to save this video for later so you can whip up any weekend. What's your favorite pizza toppings? Comment now. Pizza night in our house is sacred. Everybody gets a say. One kid wants extra pepperoni, the other wants pineapple. Yeah, we allow it. Dad wants hot honey on his, and Mama just wants it to taste like the pizzeria down the road. The options are literally endless. Meat lovers, veggie supreme, white pizza with spinach and ricotta, barbecue chicken with pickled red onions, whatever y'all are craving. And if you've got little ones, let them build their own personal pizzas. Hand them each a little ball of dough and watch their faces light up. It's 20 minutes of screen-free joy, and they eat every bite because they made it. That's the Southern way, food that brings people together. Here's everything we need for two generous 12 to 14-inch pizzas. Two 1-pound balls of store-bought pizza dough, fresh or frozen, both work great. 1 cup good pizza sauce or marinara, 3 to 4 cups shredded low-moisture mozzarella. Whatever toppings your heart desires. I'm using pepperoni, Italian sausage, peppers, red onion, mushrooms, black olives. Olive oil for drizzling, fresh cracked black pepper. A handful of fresh basil leaves at the end. Flour or cornmeal for the pan. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing you can't grab on a quick grocery run. First thing, let that dough sit out until it's room temperature. Cold dough fights you. Happy dough stretches like a dream. Preheat your oven as high as it'll go, 475 to 500 degrees. If you have a pizza stone or steel, put it in now so it gets screaming hot. Lightly flour your counter. Take 1 ball, press it out with your fingertips, then gently stretch or roll it to about 12 to 14 inches. Don't stress if it's not a perfect circle. It can be a square too. Rustic looks better anyway. If it keeps snapping back, just walk away for 2 minutes, let it relax, then come back. Same with life sometimes, right? Dust your pizza pan or peel with cornmeal. That's your nonstick insurance, and it gives the bottom that perfect crunch. Spread a thin layer of sauce. Leave a good inch border so you get that puffy crust. Too much sauce and it gets soggy. We want crispy. Now blanket it with mozzarella. I like a generous amount. This is pizza, not salad. Here comes the best part, the toppings bar. Lay everything out in little bowls and let the family go to town. Tell the kids they can make whatever weird combo they want. I've seen peanut butter and jelly pizza attempts, didn't love it, but the laughter was worth it. My only rule, don't overload the center, keep it even so it cooks right. Slide it onto that screaming hot stone or pan. Set a timer for 12 minutes and check it. You want the crust deep golden and the cheese bubbling with little brown spots. Every oven is different, so the first time you make this, just watch it like a hawk after the 10-minute mark. While it bakes, the whole house smells like an Italian restaurant moved to the south. Garlic, herbs, melting cheese, best smell on earth. Pull it out and let it rest just 2 minutes. It makes slicing cleaner. Now here's the restaurant quality move I swear by. Right before you cut it, crack fresh black pepper all over the top. Not the stuff in the shaker, the good cracked stuff. It wakes everything up. Then a light drizzle of your best olive oil. Just a few beautiful streaks. Finish with torn fresh basil leaves. That pop of green and that aroma. Chef's kiss. Suddenly your homemade pizza tastes like it came from that little spot downtown that charges $22 a pie. You just saved $60 and had way more fun. Y'all, there it is, your new Friday night tradition. Make it once, and I promise you'll never look at delivery the same. Drop your favorite topping combo in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Southern Eats family favorite. Tag us as Southern Eats when you make your pizza night. I want to see what you create. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it Southern, and keep it delicious. See y'all in the kitchen. God bless.